Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the watch is charged or on its charger and your iPhone is unlocked and on Wi-Fi. This prevents interruptions and speeds download. Once done, open the watch app, go to General, then Software Update. That's the only official route. Tap Download and Install and enter your iPhone or watch passcode when prompted. You're initiating a secure, paired device transfer, so files move from iPhone to watch, rather than the watch trying to manage its own update. You'll see a progress indicator on the iPhone. Keep both devices close and avoid interrupting Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. If storage warnings appear, free at least 1/2 GB by removing apps or music. Beta profiles must be removed to receive public releases. After agreeing to terms and entering any passcodes, the iPhone downloads the update and then transfers it to the watch. This two-step flow protects firmware integrity. Do not force quit the watch app or restart devices mid-transfer. When transfer completes, the watch installs and will restart. Keep it on the charger and within range until the process finishes to avoid bricking. Once the watch reboots, confirm the version under Settings right arrow General right arrow Software Update so you know the update applied. If the update stalls, try a force restart first. Hold both side button and digital crown until you see the Apple logo. If that fails, unpair and repair from the watch app. Your iPhone creates a backup automatically before unpairing, so you won't lose data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.